guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, i-review natin yung ating pinakaunang Sun Life insurance policy. Walang bias as a policy holder ni Sun Life. I got this plan 8 years ago, 2015. Itong plan na to, I was 25 years old nung nakuha ko siya. UL siya, meaning Variable Universal Life, and insurance with investment to. So, FlexiLink. So, ngayon wala ng FlexiLink. Ano nga ba yung mga dahilan kung bakit tayo kumukuha ng insurance? So, maraming nagsasabi, hindi ko naman papakinabangan yun, ba't ako kukuha? Yan yung usual na sinasabi, bakit ayaw ko man ng insurance? Less than 10% lang ang insured na Filipinos. Hindi pa ganon talaga ka-accepted ang insurance sa Pilipinas, pero sa ibang bansa, required na may insurance ka. So, anything happens to you, may maiiwan ka sa family mo, may panggastos ka, may pang-aral yung family mo. Yung insurance kasi hindi to para sa sarili mo, para to sa mga maiiwan mo. So, kapag meron kang insurance, meaning selfless ka and you're a very responsible person. When I was an insurance agent, yun yung objection. Ba't ako kukuha? Hindi ko na mapapakinabangan, patay na nga ako. So, yan yung common objection. So, kapag may nag-message sa inyo na batchmate, relative, classmate, or kung sino man, na malapit sa inyo or kakilala nyo about insurance. So, makinig lang kayo. Huwag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa. So, i-review na natin kung sulit nga ba itong kinuha ko. So, this plan is Sun FlexiLink na coverage nito is 1M. This is 30,000 per year. So, that's 2.5 a month. So, 8 years na akong nagbabayad. That means 30,000 times 8 years. So, around 240,000 na yung naibayad ko sa plan to. And then, ang coverage nito is 1M. So, lugi ba ako o hindi? Sagot is, of course, hindi. Kasi this is worth 1M plus may investment pa siya na pwede mong i-withdraw. And then I only paid like 240,000. So anything happens to me, the company will release or Sun Life will release 1 million to my beneficiaries. So madaming mga insurance jargons dito na hindi mo maintindihan. Pero isa-isahin natin yan. Okay? So, bakit ito yung kinuha ko? Siyempre, that time, affordable kasi ang VUL. Ayun nga, insurance with investment. Assured ka na at the same time, para ka na rin nag-iipon kasi withdrawable yung fund value nito or yung investment portion. Tignan natin later kung sulit naman ba yung investment. Considering na dumaan tayo sa pandemic like 8 years na, tapos may 3-year pandemic na hindi pa rin nakakabangon ng Pilipinas, tapos may war na naman ngayon. So, bagsak-bagsak ang economy. But, if you look into it, like, kung kumuha ka nito, nang iniisip mo is insurance and for your family, hindi ka talaga lugi. Kasi you only pay, like, kung this one is 15 years to pay. So, 15 times 30,000, so that's 450,000 pesos. Kapalit ng 1 million, 450,000 yung babayaran mo. Insured ka until age 88 for this plan. Kung masurpass mo yung 88, at least na paghandaan mo, di ba? Kasi withdrawable naman yung fund value. So, sa insurance, hindi money back yun, expense yun. Expense ang insurance. So, there are plans na may money back guarantee. But this plan doesn't have any money back guarantee. Kung ano yung binayad mo, kung ano lang yung investment portion, yun lang yung mawi-withdraw mo. So, tignan natin kung ano pa yung mga benefits nito. So, for this plan, ang benefits ko pa dito is yung disability tsaka accident. Kapag ang cause of death is accident, plus 1M pa siya. So, double the coverage. And then, once na ma-disable ka naman, waive na yung premium. For this plan, tignan naman natin yung investment portion. So, I'm not so happy with the fund value of my plan right now kasi nga, considering of pandemic, so hindi siya ganun kataas. But like I said, if you look on the brighter side, like you got this as an insurance policy and not for the returns of the investment, then it's a very good investment. So, madaming may ayaw ng VUL kasi nga, mas okay daw, term na lang and then invest the difference. So, pwede naman yun as long as you know how to invest, you know how to play the stock market or mag-crypto ka. But if you don't know how, like you don't have knowledge about stock market, then pwede kang term plus mutual fund. You have a fund manager na mag-manage ng funds mo. So, kapag nag-apply ka ng insurance, kukunin yung details mo and may approval. Nakadepende yung premium. Premium is yung amount na babayaran mo. And then, magsa-sign up ka ng application form, policy contract na ganito, once ma-approve ka na. Ito yung luma. Ito yung bago. So, i-discuss natin lahat yun. Discuss natin lahat yung mga insurance policies na meron tayo. I-review natin kung sulit ba yung ganyan kadaming insurance or kung ano lang yung anong plan yung dapat mong piliin before ka mag-consider buying. For this one, si Sun Life, ito yung policy contract. And then, makapal siya. So, nandiyan yung terms and conditions. So, kung gusto yung isa-isahin natin. Meron dito nakalagay, suicide. Kapag suicide, yung cause of death mo, hindi babayaran yung insurance mo. So, nandiyan nakalagay yung policy surrender, charges. So, madaming jargon. So, before ka maka-avail ng insurance, yan, advisor approval, and then policy contract. And then, may portal ka, ma-check mo kung magkano na yung naipulog mo, magkano na yung fund value mo. Yan, may portal ka sa Sun Life. So, i-register ka dyan na advisor mo or ikaw mismo. Kasi madali lang naman mag-register. And then, mas okay kasi kung bata ka and healthy ka kasi mas mabilis ma-approve. Most of you, hindi binasa tong kontrata. Kung nag-avail ng insurance, kung ano ba yung nilalaman nito. And beneficiary, sila yung tatanggap. Cooling off period, pwede mo ibalik tong contract. Pwede mo ibalik tong contract mo within 15 days ng pagkakuha. And then, policy surrender. Pwede mo i-surrender tong policy mo. Dalhin mo lang tong kontrata mo sa any Sun Life branch and then surrender. Claim settlement. Kapag magki-claim ka, punta ka lang sa any Sun Life branch. And lahat ng requirements, pasa mo. Itong VUL, meron siyang charges until age 88. So, kung gusto mong i-stop, like 10 years lang, bayaran mo lang yung charges. Enforce pa rin yung policy mo. Pero pag di mo naman binayaran, magde-deduct siya automatic dun sa fund value mo. For example naman, nakalimutan mo magbayad. Ayan, automatic magbabawas din siya sa fund value. And then, itong tinatawag na grace period, like, meron siyang 31 days. So, kapag nag-lapse, ibig sabihin, naubos yung fund value mo, nag-lapse, hindi na-enforce yung policy mo, hindi ka na-covered, merong reinstatement. So, pwede mo reinstate. Ibig sabihin, buhayin ulit yung policy mo. Magbabayad ka lang ng charges. Meron pang loyalty bonus tong FlexiLink. Maki-credit siya dun sa 10th policy anniversary. Tsaka every 5 years. Yung fund value, pwede mo i-withdraw. Pero hindi yung hinulog mo, yung fund value, yung kinita. Wala tong dividends. Nandito din naka-attach yung fill out mo na application form. So, naka-scan yan. So, dati ano pa? Papel pa. So, ngayon, digital na lahat. In conclusion, bought this plan 8 years ago. Already paid like 240,000 pesos. And this is worth 1M. Mahirap kasi mag-ipon actually. Kailangan kasi may consistent savings plan ka. Kasi kapag wala kang consistent savings plan na may naghahawak ng pera mo, magagastos at magagastos mo yun. Like, may maiisip at may maiisip. Ganun kasi ako eh. So, hindi pwede na yung retirement plan mo or yung insurance plan mo or yung pamana mo sa pamilya mo is hawak mo like cash. Kasi magagastos mo yun. So, dapat meron kang trust fund, whatever, na paglalagyan mo na hindi mo basta-basta magagalaw, na nakalaan lang siya doon. You will not think about it, but you treat it as an expense. That money is for your future self. So, this plan, I'm very thankful na nakakuha ako 8 years ago. Because now, yung 1 million pesos, hindi nag-same yung value. Kasi, pag kumuha ka ng insurance, kung ano yung age mo nung time na kumuha ka, hindi nag-i-increase yun. Yun na yun. If you're considering buying an insurance, panoorin mo yung mga susunod kong videos kasi ipapakita ko doon. Sun Life Assure, Elite. And then later on, magko-compare tayo sa iba't ibang company. So right now, all I have is Sun Life. Since I was a Sun Life financial advisor, so it's good that I've learned these things and I'm very thankful and grateful. So that's it. So if you have any questions, i-comment nyo lang dun sa comment section. And sasagutin ko lahat yan or igagawa natin ng video. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye!